Before we begin, before I talk about markets, rather, I do want to address some of the newcomers on this call. I'm sure there are some. I think it's worth giving a rundown of what we provide investors in terms of insights and deliverables. I view Bitcoin performance as largely being a function of liquidity, risk appetite, and idiosyncratic catalysts. We saw a lot of price action be determined by those idiosyncrasies in the ETFs and the election this cycle. And I do recommend altcoins. I do recommend crypto-linked equities, but given the size of Bitcoin relative to the broader crypto market, the performance of these names is largely downstream of Bitcoin performance. Bitcoin is still roughly 60% of the total crypto market, and it comprises the majority of collateral and wealth within the ecosystem. And so while fundamentals are beginning to matter more on the margin, I do think flows remain the dominant driver of price action. And then in terms of deliverables, I put out 3 to 4 videos per week. You can think of them as verbal research notes in which I walk through several charts and discuss my thoughts on the crypto market. Very similar to what, Mark and Tom do. And also provide strategy notes in which we go more in depth in narrative form, and we provide updates to our model token and crypto equity portfolios. And these portfolios are essentially, our real-time views on the market, market risk, opportunities. Yeah. So with that said, let's get into the outlook.